Want to lose weight without feeling hungry all the time? Here's why protein is your best friend when it comes to dropping pounds and keeping them off. First up, protein keeps you full way longer than carbs. Imagine eating a sugary donut. An hour later, you're starving again. Swap it for eggs or Greek yogurt. You stay satisfied for hours. Eating more protein actually boosts your metabolism. Your body burns more calories digesting protein than other foods. It's like adding logs to your calorie burning fire. When you lose weight, you want to lose fat, not muscle. Protein helps your body hang on to muscle, so you look lean, strong, and toned, not just skinny. Ever get hit with late night cravings? Protein can help with that too. Choosing Greek yogurt or cottage cheese keeps you full longer and less likely to dive into a bag of chips at midnight. So what are the best sources of protein? Think eggs, chicken breast, fish. Greek yogurt, beans, lentils. Tofu, protein shakes, and for meat eaters, steak or chicken. Here's a quick tip. Aim for a serving of protein at every meal. Try a couple of eggs for breakfast, chicken in your salad for lunch, tofu or fish for dinner. If you're on the go, a protein shake can save the day. Remember, portion size matters too. Check food labels and don't overdo it. Balance is key. So if you want to lose weight and keep it off, protein is your secret weapon. Eat smart, stay full, and burn fat while keeping your muscles strong. Protein is your secret weapon for weight loss. Eat smart, stay full, and burn fat while keeping your muscles strong. Like, share, and subscribe for more smart nutrition hacks. Friendly close, fade out.